What about creating content for those that are already curious and just searching for stuff? I think that's even pretty dope. So this is creating content for those that are curious already. Now, this is not for brand curiosity. These are those that are already curious. What makes this superb is the fact that they're already looking already. And in cases where people are curious and looking for stuff, the best thing you could do is enhance your optimization. What is that? Your hashtags. So if I'm selling stuff and I have a service or a product and I put it out there, well, people that'll go on Instagram or Facebook and stuff, what do you think they're going to search? They're going to search the item, and the item's going to be linked to hashtags, right? So a curious person has now seen your content because you put a hashtag on there. See that? SEO is the same way, search engine optimization. Curious people, where do they go? We're all curious for a product or a service at any point in time. And what's the first place we go? We might ask somebody, but the next thing is then we go on the web. So for somebody who's already curious, well, what do you want to do? You want to be able to make sure that you're showing up on page 1. That's where SEO really, really helps.